We have one wild looking Mad Max Ferrari 296 GTB, and here's why. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Ferrari 296 GTB, already in the Prancing Horses version, is a truly extraordinary car, but for some owners, it's never enough, right? So tuner Zacoe therefore decided to make some bold visual changes to this electrified supercar with the aim of satisfying even the most demanding customers. Now, the Taiwanese tuner has a new body kit for the Ferrari 296 GTB, and it is completely made of carbon fiber, giving it a armored Mad Max appearance thanks to the exposed finish known as the 296 GTZ. That's Zacoe's Gran Turismo. This creation takes a stylistic inspiration of the classic 250 LM, while its aerodynamics take cues from modern Ferrari race cars. Now, you can also see the wide fenders of the 296 GTZ that integrate air intakes at the front and sinuously follow the seductive curves of the supercar at the rear, merging with a more pronounced rear spoiler. Furthermore, there are aerodynamic elements such as the front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser extensions, all accentuated by red details that enhance the graceful lines of this car. Now, although the preview renderings are based on the Ferrari 296 GTB, the layout of the components suggests that the same kit will actually be compatible with the 296 Spider convertible. Now, additionally, a new set of alloy wheels represents interpretation of a star design closely associated with Ferrari. The tires appear wider than stock and appear to be paired with a lower suspension. Now, in Zacoe's previous projects, the changes are limited to aesthetics, keeping the stock engine intact. And that choice isn't a bad choice with this car. I mean, the 296 has a mid-mounted 2.9 liter twin-turbo V6 coupled to a single electric motor, which delivers an output of 830 horsepower, 611 kilowatts, and 740 newton meters of torque. So it's still gonna go. But what do you guys think about this whole setup and this very beefy, very bulletproof and armored 296 GTB, or should I say GTZ? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description. Check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe or click the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.